Howdy folks, my name's Sean Wheeler. I'm with Interlock Concepts. I'm here to tell you about the Touch Series BAM 75 interactive monitor. Let's jump right into it. I'm going to pop on the interactive whiteboard, and I'm very clever today. I've been thinking about this all day long, what I wanted to write here. There it is. Hi, let's do page 2. Cool stuff. And that's what we're here to talk about. All the cool stuff. You know what? I want to erase that. Not that it's not cool, but I just want to show you that I can go, I didn't want to do that. Can I undo? Yes, I can. I can undo that. Boom, boom, boom. We've got cool stuff. Let's redo that. Let's put it back. All those fun things. Now, I want to change this application. I want to close it out for a minute. When I do, it's going to say, hey, Sean, do you want to save? And I'm going to answer that just shortly here. So there, do I want to save? No, I don't want to save, but if I did, I could save it to the local OS system, or I put a flash drive in the front slot here and save it to the local flash drive. We're going to go ahead and exit. Thank you. See ya. All right, let's pop into the next thing here, and we're going to look at all the different inputs. These are HDMI, 4, 3, 2, 1, plus the 0 slot, which is the front. So basically, I've got 5 HDMI inputs with corresponding USB serial cables. Plus, I've got a slot in the back of it for an OPS machine. If you're not familiar, that's a little baby computer that shoves in the slot. I actually have one put in here. I'm going to show you that. Plus, I've got composite and component audio video, plus VGA. Bottom line, anything that you've got in your classroom that you want to connect to this, guess what? You can do that. All right, let's bring that back up because I waited too long to talk about it. Going into the 0 slot, that is my Chromebook. There it is. That's my Chromebook, USB and serial cable connected. Once I've got that, I've got video, audio, and with the serial cable, I've got the ability to control it. So there we go. We've got a GoPro rocking out here. If I want to change the volume, I can, so I can lower it or raise it. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and lower it. But I'm actually going to freeze this for a second because there's another cool feature that's part of the Android system here. So I'll bring that back up just for a second. I want to bring the overlay tool up. And what color do I want to draw in? Well, let's draw in yellow. And I'm going to make just a little outline. Is that kind of cool or what? All right, I want to make it go away. There we make it go away. And if I want to close the application, I can close it. And basically, I can run that overlay over any input that's going on, whether it's VGA, the HDMI cable, anything that I want, I can still use that overlay. Now again, I'm going to change gears here for a second. I'm going to pop into the OPS machine. Again, that's that little computer that you have the option, if you want to, you can add it to the BAM 75. So here it is, I've got it running. Because this is a PC, guess what? I've got YouTube, I can play video on it. And did I mention this is a 4K display? So you can do some high definition stuff. We've got the folks in here on the YouTube business again. Again, I can adjust the volume if I want to. I'm not. I'll just kind of pause for a second. And some of you might say, hey Sean, I'm a big fan of my interactive smartboard or interactive whiteboard software, whether it's Smartboard or Prometheus Active Inspire. And I'm going to say, hey, that is wonderful. All you got to do is plug in your computer and bring up your favorite software. So here's Active Inspire. All right, I'm going to grab a pen tool. All right, now check this out. This is really, really cool. I've got one point of touch, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, what if I wanted to do all 10 fingers to my 2 thumbs? 10 fingers and 2 thumbs, whatever. But look at that. I've got both hands on there. Believe it or not, if I wasn't by myself here right now, I could say, hey, Bob, you come over here and we could do 20 points of touch. But Bob's not here, so we can't do that. All right, we'll bring over here. Now we're in Smart Notebook software, so if that's your favorite, guess what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, think we can do 10? Yes, we can. Hey Bob, oh, Bob's not here, so we can't do that. But the bottom line is, if you have a favorite interactive software that you've been using for years, you know what? Keep using it. Not a problem. All you got to do is tie your computer in, plug it in, you're ready to rock and roll. Now I'm going to pop back into the base operating system in here, and I've got 2 other machines off frame here. The first one is a Macintosh computer. All right, and I've got a GoPro video going, but the problem is here, I want this screen to be there, and I'm just flat out of HDMI cables. So check this out. I've got an application running here. I'm going to click Start. There's my Macintosh screen. Wait for it. This is really cool. Oh, let me close that. Check that out. And I want to pop up the volume.
360 drop.
Look at that. That is just absolutely loud. Oh, that's almost as loud as that crash. Okay, we'll go ahead and slow that down. Hey, he's up. Yeah, give him a big hand. All right, let's go ahead and pause that. Are we paused? Yay, we are paused. So I'm going to set this down here. I'm going to set it out of the way, and I'm going to grab the other PC. So let's stop sharing real quick. Should go back in. Yes, it did. I saw it out of the corner of my eyes. Next is my PC. Got the application running here. Let's open it up. Here we go. And through the magic of technology, we are sharing this one. Look at this. So here we are. Now, I've got YouTube playing on that. And let's minimize you. Get out of the way. And look at this. I can hit play. And we've got a Blue Angels video going on. So this is kind of slick. Let's pause that. And you know what else? This is slick too. Now remember, this is all wireless. Here's my smart notebook software. And that's it. I think I've got a pen already checked. How cool is that? That is absolutely spectacular, folks. Now, this has been the BAM 75. I'm Sean Wheeler. This device can be yours for the low, low price of $2,850. Again, we've got 5 HDMI inputs. We've got VGA. We've got Composite and Component. Anything you want to throw at this. So if you want to check it out live in person with me, pick up the phone, give me a holler. You can shoot me a text or an email as well. Either way, we'll get one in front of you, check it out, and you're ready to add it to your building. Folks, I appreciate your time today. You have a great day.